What is happening? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. You'll usually see me in my office shooting some videos, but I'm actually here in my living room just because I just came back from outside while I was playing with the puppies, and another 50 and $300 commission came through, as you can see right here, and it's to show you what is possible, right? You don't have to have a 9-to-5 job in order to create that extra income. So, what if you already have a 9-to-5 job, but you want to maybe create an extra $3,000 a month or an extra $5,000 a month, right? With a business opportunity, with an online opportunity, then it's absolutely possible with hard work and dedication, right? So if you want to know my strategies where you can copy and paste the pre-written ads that I've already made for you, right, in social media, go ahead and get started with the team. Go ahead and click on infinityprocessingsystem.info. Get the full details. Make sure that you watch both videos on the website so you understand exactly how this works and how you get paid, right? The awesome thing is this is a global opportunity, so it doesn't matter where you're at. If you have a PayPal account or a Stripe account or a Cash App account or a Venmo account, right, you can be part of the team and receive your payments through those payment methods. And awesome thing is with this opportunity, you're going to receive the step-by-step training, but not just that, you're going to also be added to my private coaching group where I share with you more strategies, how you can scale up your business. We just have had an amazing live coaching session where I show you how I'm able to close $300 sales over and over again. So you don't want to miss out on that knowledge that I am just giving out to my team members. Other than that, take action today. Awesome thing about this opportunity, there are no monthly payments, right? As soon as you make the one-time payment, you get access to your products, your digital product, and you get access to the step-by-step training to get you up and running. So imagine if you had the ability to earn those unlimited $300 commissions, unlimited $150 and $50 commissions, right? What would that do for you? How would your life change? So if you're committed to your success, if you're committed to learning a new skill set for the next 60 to 90 days, I want to work with you. Visit the website, get started now, and send me a message right away on my Facebook, which you'll see how to message me directly, and then I'll introduce you to my community. Other than that, take action, and I'll see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.